Korean tanker fire, 2 dead. Fire started in superstructure of tanker, reportedly under the name of TAEHWA, at around 054 ROLT, UTC+9, Mar 20-some 2 nanometers off Ohdong Island, Yeosu waters, East China Sea, South Korea. Fire started in cabin, spread around in superstructure, and engulfed the bridge. Of 6 crew on board, 2 died, 4 were rescued. According to latest news and to photo, fire didn't spread to cargo area and was taken under control by firefighters. Product tanker TAEHWA, MMSI 440,116,340, DWT 906, built 1992, flag South Korea.